Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Jovelyn Silipan. I'm 23 years old. I live in Tayug, Pangasinan. I am a single. I have 2 brothers, and I'm the oldest child.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your employer?
Leia A. Pineda.
How many are them in the family?
3, ma'am.
How long did you stay in that employer?
4 years, ma'am.
So you finished your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Main duties in my employer is washing clothes, ironing clothes, cleaning, cooking, and taking care of kids.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because the highest of salary, and I want to earn and save money for my future and my family.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Like steam fish, steam chicken, stir-fried vegetable, and fried rice.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them on a good manners, write and speak in English.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 hands, the left and the right, hold in a fight, so clean and bright. Clap and softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hat, up good to see.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
So you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am honest, hardworking, responsible, and obedient, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Yes, ma'am. I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper of your family. I am responsible and hardworking. I promise I will do my best to do my duties very well. I always obey and obedient and follow instruction. I promise to finish my work 2 years contract with you. Thank you, ma'am and sir. See you in Hong Kong. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.